What's going on, guys? It's your boy John the Liquidator coming back with another video. And it looked like the Indiana Fever is set to lose maybe both of their assistant coaches. Guys, for this one here, we got to go all the way up to Indy. Let's get it. Let's go. Now, guys, I know it might be kind of late or maybe in the morning. I don't know when you're watching this, but I just looked at a devastating football game, and I feel compelled to make this video because I meant to make it earlier, guys. I ain't going to lie to you. Now, with that being said, before we get into the content, something that I want to explain is that I'm really getting tired of people copying me. Like, it's one thing to copy the news story, but copy my video segment by segment, that's doing too much. Now, I gave you fair warning. Let you slide, bro. But I promise you, if you want to go to war, we can go to war, and you will remember my name. I gave you fair warning to quit doing it. Quit doing it, bro. And I don't want to hear no charge it to the game, bro. I've been on YouTube damn near 5 years, bro. You know when somebody's copying you, bro. Like, I don't want to hear none of that. Segment for segment, none of that. No shout out to you know, none of that. You playing with the wrong one, and it's war, and it's like that. You know what I'm saying? If you want to, you know what I'm saying, do this to yourself in your channel, so be it. You know what I'm saying? But I'm telling you, bro, better put your big boy pants on. So this article right here came out pretty much earlier today. Like I stated, I meant to cover this story earlier, but I've been really busy watching all the football games. You guys don't know this, like, I cover football, bro. Like, I was on football way before the W, way before me ever covering basketball. I was already John the Liquidator, bro. And this story right here I found pretty interesting because Stephanie White actually talked about this when she actually sat down with Hank and Chloe, and that is potentially losing some of her coaches, bro. So this article right here was released. It says WNBA head coaching vacancies in current cycle and dwelling still is only a matter of time before Breanna January and Austin Kelly land head coaching gigs. And when that time comes, Coach Stephanie White is confident they'll be set up for the long process. Now, this article right here is based off what Stephanie White said in their interview, which I want to play a little bit of that too before we go deeper into this segment. Now, this is the segment that was aired on their podcast, and it's crazy. It's 2020 vision now because this came out obviously this past Wednesday, and this article came out today. Now, I believe there's a lot of WNBA vacancies in the coaching department. And listen to Stephanie White because she knows something, bro.
Job as an assistant coach, you know, and so I think for Austin and Bree in particular, you know, right now it's about finding the right fit, having the right opportunity for success, and the right franchise that will also help them continue to grow. And one of the most important things is surrounding yourself with a great staff, and I'm thankful that I've been able to do that. I'll continue to enjoy it, and as long as we can. And yeah, I talk to some people when they call about them, and
so she's confirming that there has been phone calls, there is people reaching out, and they're telling us, pretty much telling us that, you know what I'm saying, there could be a breakup coming in the near future. I feel like this offseason. Now, those of you guys who might not know this, there really can't be a lot of moving and shaking going on with the players because of the CBA stuff. But with coaching availability, oh, the coaches is up for grabs. This is free market, free flex. So these coaches can, you know what I'm saying, pretty much be picked up. Now, I believe the Indiana Fever coaching staff is about to get poached like no other, bro. It's going to be a lot of coaches, a lot of teams reaching out, especially after the success dealing with superstar players like Caitlin Clark, obviously damn near making it to the finals this year, and especially for Austin Kelly, because Austin Kelly came over from Connecticut with her. So this is another back-to-back year for him damn near making it as well, too.
And, you know, going through the process for them, regardless, is important to get a sense of what that's like, to gain experience, you know, certainly every single day going through those processes. So, you know, we'll see what happens, but I'm thankful for the time that we've had. I hope that we have more of it together because I think we can continue to do some really special things. But I will be their number one fan and supporter when it's their time to move on and become a head coach.
And kind of on.
So basically, she's telling us that they're leaving. She's telling us that their day is about to go, bro. So at the end of the day, man, it is what it is. It is what it is. But when you have success like the type of success they've had, at least Stephanie White, it's only a matter of time before them coaches leave. And it's unfortunate, man. It's just an unfortunate situation, but it gives somebody else an opportunity to come in and possibly be that next up, be that person that could come in and possibly help them get over the hump, at least in Stephanie's situation.
A similar vein to that, there are obviously going to be more and more opportunities for, coaching staffs, players with the expansion coming up, obviously 2 teams in 2026 and then 3 more in the next 4 years after that. Just what do you think of the rapid expansion the league is kind of going through over the next 5 years?
I think it's great. I think that it's showing the investment, the growth, the eyeballs that are watching, our league. I think it's really important. Certainly I think we all want to see roster sizes expand as well. To make sure that we're not in situations where we're having, what do we end up having 4 or 5 hardship contracts or something throughout the course of the year. And we're developing young talent in our league. There are a lot of players who deserve an opportunity to develop in the WNBA that aren't on teams. And so I'm excited about the growth of our league. Being a person who has been in it since 1999, to see the leaps and bounds of which we're growing, I think it's important. It's showing, what we've all, I think all of us who have been involved for a long time have known all along, that the interest is there. If you once you come, you're going to come back. If the investment is there, it's going to continue to grow, and we're finally seeing that.
And just looking at this off season specifically, we obviously don't know the rules of the expansion draft specifically because of everything going on with the CBA, but it is a double expansion draft compared to single with the Valkyries last year. Obviously, just how does that change how you prepare compared to the expansion draft last year, if at all?
Yeah, I mean, those are tough questions because we don't know what it's going to look like, because there are a number of free agents, because, as we wrap our minds around what it.
Now, that was pretty much Stephanie White speaking about the current situation of the coaches. But yeah, man, I really want you guys to pay attention to everything that is going to happen. But I'm telling you right now, going back to what we talked about earlier, man, I'm sick of these creators copying me, bro. It's one thing to do the news story, but to copy segment by segment, put some type of work in, have some type of originality. You copy my background, you copy my mannerisms. It's only so much I could take, brother. Only so much I could take. Damn, dog. But definitely get down in the comment section. Let me know y'all thoughts about this. Keep them bells on. And I'm letting you know right now, it's going to be a long week. I'm out of here. Shake the haters off.